Hello friends, welcome to the channel Decoding the Facts. Today we'll talk about upcoming election results of our present Lok Sabha election 2024. So we have some exit poll results trying to predict the election results for this year. The marathon polling process for the 18th Lok Sabha came to a close on Saturday, that is 1st July 2024. So we have two major parties in India. One is NDA and other is INDIA. So when we talk about NDA, it comprises of BJP, NPP party, and ANRC party, ADS, AGP, JDU party, NCP party, RPIA party, etc. And INDIA comprises of Congress, AAP, CPI party, DMK, SAP, NC, JK, CPI, JMM, RJDP, and etc. So let's see what will the result come. Will it be Modi ki guarantee as far as or Congress will hail to get into power again? But when we talk about our social media platforms, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is far ahead of our Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, not just in the matter of followers but also in the terms of engagement and views on social media such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. According to an India Today survey, PM Modi's popularity has increased rapidly over the past 5 months. The public satisfaction has risen for the Modi government from 44% in October 2018 to 48% this month. So we had few preferences according to which we have observed that our Indians are preferring Rahul Gandhi or Modi ji. So according to caste and community based preferences, PSE reports Rahul Gandhi is more favored among the scheduled caste and Muslim communities, and Modi ji is endorsed by the other backward communities, which has grown from 55% in January to 67% in March. According to the PSE data, the support from general category has also increased for Modi from 55% in January to 72% in March. As per gender and age based preferences, here also Modi witnesses a huge win as he is the preferred candidate for upcoming election across all age groups. The data shows that 51% belongs to the age of 60 people belonging to the age group of 18 to 25 in that age. 51% of the people wants Modi and 61 plus age group their leader. Data shows that in the age group 18 to 25, 51% of people, and age group above 61, 52% of people are preferring Modi above any other leaders. Exit poll results also suggest significant breakthrough of BJP in certain states of India like Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. As per the present exit poll results, BJP poll wins for Odisha, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and also in Arunachal Pradesh. But Congress General Secretary in charge communications, Jai Ram Ramesh, said these exit polls are just for INDIA alliance is not going to get less than 295 seats. These exit polls are fake because PM Modi and Union HM Amit Shah are playing the psychology. They are just trying to put pressure on opposition parties, ECI, counting agents, returning officers, and creating an environment that they are coming back. The reality is completely different. Talking about on the same issue, Rahul Gandhi, the Congress leader, on Sunday heads out at exit poll results saying that they are Modi media polls. This is Modi's fantasy. Haven't you heard of Sidhu Moosewala song 295? This is what this 295 seats we are gonna get election. As per the poll results, out of 543 seats, the target to win the election is 272, and NDA has won 16 polls, and the expected seat is 350 to 400. And INDIA has won 0 poll, and expected number of seats is 110 to 200. And others has also won 0 polls, and expected seats 10 to 50. So let's wait for the result on 4th July 2024 for our next ruling party. Hope whichever the party wins will be best for our future of India and for the city. So to get the latest news, facts, and information, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button so that we can keep on producing and make good content for you all. Thank you for watching this.